That is H. Good job. What is that? Oh, it does kind of look like an L. A. What's that one? Good try. This one is, look, go like this. Look, V. What's this? Lily, you know this one. What's this one? Wait, what is this?
Y.
That is Y. What is this one? J, jump. Good job. What's that? P for Pucka. What's that? O, Oma. What's that? Wait. Tell me what it is. What is that? C. Very good. What do you have? Oh, this is a 5. That's 5. That's a number. What's this? Do you know this one?
E.
Oh, it's F. Close. What's that?
4.
It is a 4. Good job. Yeah, you're running out of room, aren't you? You have to stack them. Get creative. There you go. What else do you got over there? Do some more letters.
You done?
You're all done? Are you going to do some more? What about this one? You know this letter. What's that letter? What is that? Oh, man. Oh, man. Hey, Lillian, can you tell me this? Can you tell me this letter? Does it need to be on your own? Okay, you grab letters. What you got? Are you all done?
Ow.
Yeah, it probably hurt. Are you all done? Are you all done with your letters?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
I love you.
Mama.
Come on, this turn.